Gonna do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think we should count down. What do you think? Should we count them down? All right, let's count down from 100. 100, 99, 98. No? What do you say? He's gonna sing the, all right, he'll be back when we're finished counting. Okay. What do you say, Art, from 5? 5 would be okay? All right, let's count down from 5. Here we go. Now put your glasses up high in the air, ladies and gentlemen. Let's count them down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cheers, everybody! I love it. Fantastical. Well, folks, you can come down and take your picture with our maitre d', our director of restaurant operations, Francisco.
Paper. Massage.
Hey, massage does
Yeah.
Wow.
Both sides.
So Chef Sujit is also a massage therapist for steaks on the ground. If your steak's not that tender, it's because we did not massage proper, huh?
Yeah. And
Today is the most sociable day of running. Normally it is inside.
North to Alaska way up, north to Alaska way up, north to Alaska, go north, the rush is on. Johnny Horton. Hardly is a whaler alive who can keep the tears from his eyes. He remembers the good old days when there were no whales to save. Now we can thank the company for scouring the deep blue sea, looking for ivory and perfume, oil to light your living room. Hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises early in the morning. What do you do with a drunken sailor? What do you do with a drunken sailor? What do you do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? He'll haul him until he's sober. He'll haul him until he's sober. He'll haul him until he's sober early in the morning. Way, hey, and if she rises, way, hey, and if she rises, way, hey, and if she rises early in the morning. Throw him in a boat with the captain's daughter. Throw him in a boat with the captain's daughter. Throw him in a boat with the captain's daughter early in the morning. Shave his belly with a rusty razor. Shave his belly with a rusty razor. Shave his belly with a rusty razor early in the morning. Way, hey, and if she rises, way, hey, and if she rises, way, hey, and if she rises early in the morning. Way, hey, and if she rises, way, hey, and if she rises, way, hey, and if she rises early in the morning. Whalers.
We'll see. If she's got a big cut in her dorsal fin, it 100% is softened. That look like a cut in the dorsal fin.
Yeah.
So if we're lucky, we'll see the underside of her fluke, and she's got a very distinctive fluke that has the letters A and K on it.
Oh, yeah?
We captured her and branded her the Alaska whale. I'm kidding. They're natural scars, but it looks like an A and a K if you squint your eyes a little bit.
Wow.
happywhale.org, and oftentimes if you're the one that gets the first identifying creature, you sometimes have the privilege of naming them, sometimes they name them. No, you get nothing. Nothing. I'm sorry, Charlie. You lose. Yeah, track itself. So let's see. Yeah, he was right on. That was about an 8-minute dive.
Just under a mile wide. It's got that vibrant blue color that is caused by densely packed ice crystals. And it stretches for over 20 miles into the mountains where it originates. A breathtaking masterpiece of nature's icy artistry, Marjorie Glacier was named in honor of French geologist Emmanuel de Marjorie, a pioneering figure in the field of glaciology who never quite stepped foot here.
wish is